Now see the second question, sir. Second question. This is your original previous year examination question. Second question, listen to this carefully. In the question they have given it as x square plus 1 by x square. I just changed the constant as, variable as p square plus 1 by p square. That's the only difference. Now see here, p square plus 1 by p square equal to 1. That means from this I can directly write it as p plus 1 by p equal to root 3. All are same. This is actually equal to this. Both are absolutely same. We have proved it also. Let me not say the same things again and again. Now we are interested in finding p power 5 plus 1 by p power 5. Now if p plus 1 by p equal to root 3, then we know that p power 6 is minus 1. That means if we know p power 6 value, it becomes easy for us. But we have p power 5. P power 5 is p power 6 divided by p. P power 6 is minus 1 divided by p plus 1 by 1 divided by p power 5. P power 5 can be written as p divided by p power 6. So p divided by p power 6. But we know that p power 6 value is how much? Just now we solved it. P power 6 value is minus 1. Let me directly substitute, sir, instead of writing again and again. That means this is minus 1 by p minus p, minus common factor, p plus 1 by p. And we know directly the value of p plus 1 by p as root 3. And with a negative sign, the answer becomes minus root 3. These are all very easy questions. And trust me, this was your previous exam question. This was your previous exam question. The question was damn easy in your examination paper also. I hope the idea is clear. See the third question, sir. See question number 3. Question number 3. Now they are giving you k plus 1 by k whole square is equal to 3. Now this I can also write it as k plus 1 by k equal to root 3. From this I can also write this as k power 6 will be equal to minus 1. That means k power 37 is what they are asking you in the question. 37 is k power 36, which is an even multiple. K power 36 is 1. K power 1, it is k plus 1 divided by k power 41. K power 41. K power 41 I can say it as 1 divided by k power 41 is, it is k divided by k power 42. K power 42 is an odd multiple of 6. So the value is minus 1. K minus k. Answer for this question is 0. These are all very easy questions, sir. You should know the concept. The moment you understand the concept, the problem solving should never be a difficult task. Answer for the third question is 0. See the fourth question. P square plus 1 by p square equal to 1. From this I can say that it is p plus 1 by p equal to root 3. From this also I can say that p power 6 will be equal to minus 1. These things I can conclude as of now. Now looking into the question itself, directly I can say that p power 42 plus p power 36. The difference between the powers is 6. The value is directly 0. 30 and 24, the value is 0. 18 and 6, it is not 0. Hold on for a moment. 18 and 6 is what I have. But can I say that p power 6 plus 1, p power 6 plus 1, this value is nothing but 0, right? This value is 0. Now p power 18, p power 18 is nothing but p power 6 into 3. It is an odd multiple of 6, right? It is an odd multiple of 6. Because it is an odd multiple of 6, I can say that the answer for this question is minus 1. Check it out, sir. Minus 1 is not given in the answer options. Did I make any mistake? Let me check once again. P power 42 plus p power 36, the value is 0. 30 and 24, the value is 0. P power 6 plus 1, the value is 0. P power 18 is the only other thing which is left out. 18 is nothing but 6 times of 3. Because 18 is nothing but 6 times of 3, so it is odd multiple of 6, and whenever it is an odd multiple of 6, the value is minus 1. Answer for this question should be minus 1. Let me make this third option as minus 1. Probably they might have typed it incorrect, I am not sure, but anyway, definitely the answer for this question should be minus 1 for sure, sir. I hope the fourth question is also very clear for you people. Now see the fifth question. Fifth question is your original SSC mains examination question. Let me also tell you, this was your 2015 and also 2016 mains question. This had come in 2 years, 2015 mains paper, 2016 mains paper, both examination this question has come. Now the question says k plus 1 by k is not equal to 0. That means k plus 1 by k is not equal to 0 means other than 0, k plus 1 by k can be any other value. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be root 3 also, what we are learning right now. It can be anything. For time being, we cannot decide just like that as root 3 itself. Now see here. Moving further, the next part given in the question is k cube plus 1 by k cube value is 0. Find the value of k plus 1 by k whole power 4. Now, looking into the question itself, within a second you can say that the answer for this question is 9. Sir, how it is 9? You are very fast, you are solving it as 9. But I want my students also to solve it as 9 within seconds. Now see here, sir. How did I say it as 9 so fast? It is very simple. Can I say that because k cube plus 1 by k cube value is 0, the vice versa condition I know that k plus 1 by k value will be equal to root 3. Now, in the previous cases we learned the reverse. If k plus 1 by k is root 3, then k cube plus 1 by k cube equal to 0. The vice versa is also true. If k cube plus 1 by k cube equal to 0, then k plus 1 by k should be equal to root 3. And they are also saying that k plus 1 by k should not be equal to 0. Yes, root 3 is not equal to 0. Yes, absolutely fine. Now, the question is k plus 1 by k value, we know it as root 3. But they don't want k plus 1 by k. They want k plus 1 by k power 4. Rise to the power 4 on both sides. Root 3 power 4 is nothing but 3 power 2. It is 9. This is what I said. Within second you can get the answer as 9. Right? This is a very simple question, sir. Trust me, your examination questions of this particular format will be damn easy. And you saw it. This is your 2015 and 16 mains examination original question. Now, you might think that, sir, if I don't realize that k cube plus 1 by k cube is 0, k plus 1 by k should be root 3, what else I can use? You can also solve it in general method. But this method I don't suggest you basically. I want you to solve in the method what I just solved. But anyway, let me teach you other method. There is no harm in teaching you. There is no harm in learning from you also. Right? I will call in general as k plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus, or let me not confuse you because already k is given in the question. Let me take what is actually given in the question itself. Otherwise you might get confused, sir. Instead of k, let us take some other constant this time. Suppose we know that k plus 1 by k is some constant m. Assume that we know this. Then I can say that k cube plus 1 by k cube will be equal to, it is m cube. It is m cube minus 3k. M cube minus, sorry, not 3k. It is 3m once again. Always a habit of saying it as k. So it is m cube minus 3m. M cube minus 3m can be further written as m into m square minus 3. But this k cube plus 1 by k cube value is given in the question as how much? It is given as 0. That means this entire thing is 0. So that means, can I say that m value will be equal to 0, m value will be equal to 0, or m square minus 3 value will be 3, or sorry, m square minus 3 value will be equal to 0, m square equal to 3, m will be root 3, right? M will be root 3. That means I can say that m value will be equal to 0. That means k plus 1 by k value is equal to 0, or k plus 1 by k value can also be equal to root 3. But in the question they are saying that k plus 1 by k is not equal to 0. This condition is ruled out. So only left out condition is k plus 1 by k equal to root 3. This is the generic way of solving it. Instead of solving it by using generic way, I solved it in a different beautiful way, which I will right now name it as method 1. In this question, I suggest you to follow with method 1 rather than going with method 2. Yes, method 2 is I am not saying that method 2 is not a good method, but method 2 is something which I will not prefer you people to use it. That is the only thing I am saying it. I hope question number 5 is clear for you people, sir. Question number 6. Question number 6. Now see here. Question says, m square plus 1 by m square equal to 1. From this I can directly say that m power 6 will be equal to minus 1. Without any single thought also I can say m power 6 is equal to minus 1. Now question says m power 92 plus m power 100. This value we need to find. Now see here, can I say that this 92 is nothing but m power 90 into m power 2. M power 90 is 6 into 15. It is an odd multiple, so it is minus 1 into m power 2. It is minus m square plus the next multiple of 6 which is closer to 100 is, closest multiple of 6 is, which is closer to 100 is m power 102. That means this I can write it as m power 102 divided by m square. This is nothing but m power 100 itself. But 102 is nothing but 6 into 17. 17 into 6. It is once again an odd multiple. This value also will be minus 1. That means here I have minus 1. Here also I have minus 1. Take minus common factor. This becomes m square plus 1 by m square. And in the question they are directly giving you the value of m square plus 1 by m square value as 1. Answer for this question is minus 1. Trust me sir, these are all very easy questions to be solved.